How to lock Instagram with Face ID. First up, launch up your Shortcut app. It is a built-in iPhone app, but in case you do not have it, you can go to the App Store and download it as shown on the screen. Once the app is launched, open the app and on the bottom you can see an automation icon. Click there and then click on New Automation. Scroll down and then click on App and then click on Choose. Here, a list of apps will appear. On the search icon, type in Instagram and click on Instagram app. Click on Done on the top right corner and then click on Run immediately. After this, click on Next and then get to the other page. Click on New Blank Automation and then click on Add Action as shown. On the search bar, type up Lock and click on Lock Screen. Then click on Done on the top right corner. After this, your Instagram app will be locked with your Face ID and will ask for your Face ID every time you open your app. This is how you can easily lock your Instagram. We hope this tutorial helped you. Keep watching for more.